Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know you guys are waiting for me to do some major work on the car. I know you guys seen all the parts that I have and you're like, yo, hurry up and put it on the car. It's coming. We're just looking for a good day to do it because we do work outside. The weather in Virginia, it has its days when it's nice, then it has its days when it's cold. And also, the guy I work with, you know, he's a father, husband, so, you know, he has things that he has to do. And sometimes our weekends don't work out together because, you know, he may be doing something with his family and it might be a weekend that I have with my son. So timing, we're just trying to get our timing together, and it's coming. I could do something this weekend, but this weekend is my son's birthday and this is my weekend with him. So we were gonna do some stuff last weekend, but it rained and it did stop raining, and then we waited till like a little bit in the afternoon, but putting the coilovers on, we didn't want to be sitting in rainwater, and it would have been too dark for us to actually finish everything working outside and not in the garage or anything. So it's coming. I promise everything's coming, but I got something that is going to finish this job. And once we put this on, actually we can put all this stuff on at once, so we can do I can do one big video and get the ball rolling. So I'm gonna show you what came in today. All right guys, so this came in today. This box right here, gotta cover my address even though I know it's been shown a couple of times. So this is the box that came in today. I'm gonna go ahead, pop this bad boy open, and we're gonna get started. All right, so there's a lot of stuff. I mean, it's a lot of stuff in one box. Not a lot of single things, but one thing together. So that's the box right there. This is the second box, and obviously there, but I went on and put all that stuff out, and then here we go. Booyah! That's right, baby. The front brake calipers are in. And these things are nice. Look at that. Holy crap, these things are nice. They are very, very well painted. So look at that. So the brake calipers are finally in. The pieces that we need for them. So yeah, look at that. Like, man, these are some nice brake calipers. And these are the front ones. So yeah, and now with having these, I can go ahead, put the brake line, the steel braided brake lines on. So we have everything that I've been waiting for. So now I have the brake lines, the front and rear calipers, and I have also the coilover. So we can do this job in one day, all at once, get it on the car. Then the only thing I have to do is take the car down, get it aligned, and we are good to go. But I also want to show you another thing that I got. Now, like I said, we can put all this stuff together, but we got the brake lines. But also, if you know what you need to do, you know that you need to do a brake fluid flush for the brake lines, because you have to crack open the whole system, bleed it, get all that gunk and stuff out, and then, you know, you got to prepare for the new one. So I went along to Dodge and I got this fluid. So this brake fluid, I talked to the guy. He said it's going to take maybe around 3 or 4 of these. So I went on and grabbed 4. So when we do the system, I know we have everything legit ready. There should be no issues once we do this job, this video. I am really excited for this video to come. I wish I could get out there and do it like tomorrow in the morning, but obviously I have to work. Like I said, this weekend's my son's birthday. So yeah, you know, spending time with him, doing stuff with him is the priority. The car can wait, but I wanted to show you guys this stuff. And came in, obviously you've seen the brake stuff already, so I want to go ahead, get this stuff all in the car, get the car feeling a whole lot better than what it is. And so this is just a quick update video for you guys. So if you guys like this, for the calipers, there'll be a link in the description below for that. And I don't know, did I do a video for the brake lines? If I didn't, I'll also put a description in the brake lines as well. You guys know I shop on Amazon. There are better places to get these things, but I just go on Amazon because I'm doing it the I don't want to say it's not the cheap route, but it's the affordable route for me. Like, there's guys on Instagram that are selling Brembo caliper brakes, but they want, you know, $1,000 for them. I don't have that kind of money for $1,000 for those Brembo brakes right now, but that is another plan once I upgrade again. So later on I will, once I can afford those things, but as of right now, doing it kind of the cheap way. All right, so hey, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Hopefully the next video I do, we are putting this stuff in the car. Right, so thank you guys for watching. Also, I want to thank you guys again. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so very much for the people that do subscribe and watch these videos. I really appreciate it. And like I said, till next time, see you later. Peace.